Just a few days ago, we reported about the variants and the display specifications of the upcoming Note 20 series revealed by Ross Young, the CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants. Now today, in an interview, he has revealed even more specifics on the Note 20 upgrades. According to him, both Note 20 and Note 20 Plus variants would arrive with 120Hz refresh rate display and would support LTPO technology for optimized battery performance. The Galaxy Note 20 would feature a 6.42-inch display with a resolution of 2345 x 1084 pixels, a 404 ppi pixel density, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and 120Hz refresh rate with LTPO technology. Whereas the Galaxy Note 20 Plus would feature a 6.87-inch display with a resolution of 3096 x 1444 pixels with 497 ppi pixel density, 19.3:9 aspect ratio, and 120Hz refresh rate with LTPO. Even though the Galaxy S20 Ultra supported 120Hz refresh rate, it was unable to drive the display at this high refresh rate in QHD Plus resolution, whereas the OnePlus 8 Pro, which uses the same display panel from Samsung, was able to support 120Hz refresh rate even in QHD Plus resolution. The reason that OnePlus was able to achieve this was the fact that they have provided an additional dedicated Iris 5 visual processor from Pixelworks that sits in between the display controller and the system graphics chips, which allow the OnePlus 8 Pro to automatically switch the refresh rates according to different scenarios. Samsung, on the other hand, has placed a software stack on the S20 Ultra for different refresh rate levels from 48 to 120 Hz, and since automatic refresh rate solution hasn't been implemented for some reason, the S20 Ultra stays either at 60 Hz or 120 Hz all the time. But most of the videos are usually shot at 24 fps or 30 fps. The 120 Hz refresh rate can go to waste. In case of OnePlus, the Iris 5 chip's custom MEMC solution upscales a lower frame rate video to match higher refresh rate, and according to the Ross Young, this is exactly what Samsung is preparing to do with the upgraded LTPO panels on the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus. And finally, the last revelation from Ross Young suggests that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series may utilize Qualcomm's latest 3D Sonic Max technology for fingerprint scanning. It was supposed to land on the S20 series but apparently couldn't be implemented, so it was postponed to Note 20 series. This new 3D Sonic Max fingerprint scanner offers a recognition area that is 17 times larger than the previous generation, allowing for increased security via simultaneous two-fingerprint authentication and faster response time. So from all these leaks, it seems the Note 20 would be a big step forward from S20 in terms of display, in-display authentication, and with the LTPO technology, it will be gentler on the battery as well. So guys, that's pretty much that we have here for now. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like the video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and stay subscribed.